Welcome back to my channel, everybody. So today I'm going to be attempting the Red Velvet Brownie. So this is the cake mix that I'm going to use today. So first we're going to start off with our wet ingredients. So we're going to use 3/4 cups of vegetable oil, 3/4 cups of sweetened condensed milk, and then 2 eggs. So what we're going to do is just mix that all up. And then we're going to get started with our dry ingredients. So in the bowl, we're going to pour in our cake mix. And then to that, we are going to pour in our wet ingredients from earlier. And then we're just going to mix it up. You can also add in white chocolate chips or some pecans. So what I'm going to do here is just get a spoon and I'm just going to scrape the sides because I want to make sure I get it all mixed in. And this is what it looks like when I'm done mixing it all up. So what I'm going to do now is get our pan, and you just want to make sure it is sprayed with some non-stick spray. And then we're going to add in our mix. So now that I have the mix in the pan, what I'm going to do is put it in the oven, and I did preheat the oven to 350 degrees. So after about 28 to 30 minutes, guys, this is the final look. I did let it cool down for a little bit, but it is still warm. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you give these brownies a try. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you later.